Sesame Street. Let's learn about things that go.
Come with us for a ride.
And stay tuned after the story for the unboxing. See what came in the mail.
Whee! Hello, everybody. It is I, Professor Grover, here to help you learn all about things that go and the wheels that make them go. My friend Elmo loves wheels. By the way, have you noticed that "we" fits perfectly into the word wheel? A lot of things that go have some kind of wheel, except me, of course, and you. But let us get back to the subject. Look, here is Zoe in her Zoe-mobile, and it has wheels. Elmo and Zoe are always on the go, so they will zoom through the book with us. Come with us for a ride. Do not forget to fasten your seatbelt. 1, 2, 3, go!
Wheels make things go. All wheels are round. Can you find all the wheels on these 2 pages? Grover's homework. How are all of these things the same? How are they different? Talk about it with a grown-up. Can you pick out the wheels? A long time ago, people needed a better way to move heavy things around. The wheel was invented more than 5,000 years ago. Before people thought of wheels, they carried things themselves or used animals to help. Wheels allow a truck to move heavy things from one place to another. All the driver has to do is steer. Wheels can help to push and pull very heavy things. A bulldozer pushes big things out of the way. Can you find a wheel that helps this bulldozer move? Twittlebug trivia. Wheels were once made of wood or stone. Today, most wheels are made of rubber, metal, or different kinds of plastic. Wheels help lighten the load. People who are on the go often use wheels to move around. Bikes are great for going places faster and for fun and exercise. You pedal with your feet to make a bike go. Skateboards and roller skates are fun too. You push with your feet to keep a skateboard and roller skates going. You can see unicycles at the circus. One-wheel unicycle. A helmet helps you stay safe on a bicycle or tricycle. 2 wheels, bicycle. Grover's homework. Help Grover count the wheels on this page. How many do you see? Can you count how many wheels I am using? Just count the wheels you can see. 3 wheels, tricycle. 4 wheels, skateboard. It takes good balance to ride a skateboard. Wheels help us move objects or people. People who have trouble walking might use a chair with wheels to move around. Sometimes they make themselves go by turning the wheels on their chair. Sometimes someone helps by pushing on the chair from behind to make the wheels turn and the wheelchair go. Some wheelchairs have motors to make the wheels go. Twittlebug trivia. A wheelchair user might learn how to do a wheelie, balancing on the 2 rear wheels of a wheelchair. A wheelie can help the person get over curbs or uneven surfaces like ramps or hills. This girl pulls the wagon by the handle to make the wheels turn and the wagon go. Wheels can help many people move together. School buses are bright yellow so other drivers on the road can see them easily, especially in the rain or fog. Grover's homework. Can you point to the word student on this page? The wheels on the bus go round and round. You sing too.
Oh, we are really whizzing along now. Ready? Full speed ahead.
Things that go can go quickly. Twittlebug trivia. Like race car drivers, wheelchair racers ride vehicles that are specially made to go fast. A person racing this type of wheelchair can move just about as fast as a car goes on a road through your town. Or slowly. Spokes are small, thin bars that connect the rim outside outside of the wheel to the center part hub of the wheel. Emergency vehicles can bring help quickly when people are in trouble. All of these vehicles have wheels. A police car has a loud siren and flashing lights, so everyone knows to get out of the way. So does a fire truck. An ambulance can rush a sick or hurt person to the hospital faster than a car. There is equipment inside the ambulance so that medics can start helping the person right away. A tow truck can pull a car that has stopped working to a garage or another place where it can be fixed. Airplanes fly through the air, but they still use wheels. Airplanes use wheels to help them take off and land and to get to the terminal after landing. Large airplane getting ready to land. Whee! Wheels can help us go, 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 but wheels can also be fun, fun, fun.
Let the good times roll!
All right, let's see what came in this huge package. Is full. Let's go one at a time here. All right, the first, right on. Awesome, another National Geographic Explorer Academy. Code breaking activity adventure. Crack the code, find the clues, get the inside scoop on the Academy, and more. I love National Geographic. If you guys watch these unboxings, you know that I love receiving National Geographic stuff. They're just so educational and they're just beautiful. They're well put together. They're such great books. Look at that. So welcome, dear explorer, welcome to the Academy. There's no time to waste. Your first lesson will be to master an invaluable skill you'll need for future missions, code breaking. From deciphering ancient languages to unscrambling encrypted maps, knowing how to decode secret messages is a must for our explorers. Oh, wow. Look at that. What a beautiful book. That is so cool. Look at that. Cracking codes. That's awesome. All right. Love that. What's next? Oh, another one. Oh, wow. Student World Atlas. Oh, this is going to be beautiful. I already know. This completely updated edition of the award-winning best-selling atlas features 100+ maps created especially for middle and high school students by the world's prominent mapping authority, 70+ full-color photographs, colorful informative spreads, 50 charts and graphs. I won't read through all of that, but there's that. If you want to pause and read through all that, I want to get into the book and see this. Oh, wow. Is that ever nice? Look at that, you guys. Oh, wow. Climate, political map, physical map, about the continent. Oh, wow. Look at that. I have to say, this is a must for school-age children. Wow. It says middle and high school students, but I think for any student, this is a must. This is a beautiful book. Look at that. Wow. So educational. You cannot go wrong with National Geographic books. They are so educational, filled with facts, just beautiful. Wow. That is amazing. Love that. Love, love, love. What else is in here? Oh, wow. This must be all National Geographic. And I just want to take 2 seconds here to thank my friends at Media Masters Publicity who sent this package out to me. So thank you so much. And thank you to National Geographic also for these wonderful books. Thank you. So this one is 1,000 Facts About Ancient Egypt. So, powerful rulers, mythical gods, and vibrant culture are celebrated in this lively and comprehensive book.
full of fun facts on everything. Wow. And I'll just, if you want to pause and read through all that, because once again, I want to get into the book and see what it looks like. So, and I believe all these books are available now at your local bookstore. So run out and definitely buy these. These are so amazing. Look at that. Inspiring facts about inventions. Oh, look at that. I don't even have to really say too much. Just look at the pictures. Wow. Very, very cool. Very cool. And who doesn't love to learn about ancient Egypt? I think that is just so amazing. It's so fun and just beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, here's a Beginner's World Atlas. Isn't that nice? This one's a hardcover. This one. Oh, wow. It's a big world out there. And the Beginner's World Atlas is all you need to understand it. Completely updated and bolder and brighter than ever. Wow. Featuring 10 illustrated physical maps, 10 full color political maps, 130 plus full color images, separate political maps for the US and Canada, charts of facts and figures. Oh, wow. And they also have, if you notice there, I kind of got sidetracked. I was looking at this when I was reading this, and I was looking at this at the same time when I was trying to read this, so I got kind of sidetracked. Beginner's United States Atlas. Oh, wow. Very cool. Look at that. Australia, Africa, and just like facts and information, beautiful colored pictures, easy to read, easy to look at. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. It's it looks like it's for the beginners, like it looks like it's very easy to understand. All the information is there. You can't go wrong with atlases. Wow. Very important to, learn about the world and countries and places, and you can't go wrong with atlases. And, like I said, to learn about the world, learn about different countries, different cultures, just basically knowing where countries are in the world, it's a must. It's, you need to know that kind of stuff. So these are just amazing and beautiful. And I think that was, that was everything. So once again, it's all National Geographic. So we had the Beginner's World Atlas, the 1000 Facts About Ancient Egypt, the Student World Atlas, and then of course the Explorer Academy Code Breaking Activity Adventure. Awesome. So like I said, these books are available at your bookstore right now. So run out there and grab them. They are amazing and worth the money. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Sesame Street stories, check out my Sesame Street playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.